So today we'll be taking some questions, in fact two questions from SI and SI, CI and SI, simple interest and compound interest. Okay. And that question I have taken from NCERT, NCERT, and these are the two questions, question number 11 and 12. Okay. So let us start with question number 12 first. Okay. With question number 12, the question is like this. Let us see. A scooter was bought. What was bought? A scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Right? So the principal amount is the amount which is invested initially. Right? So the purchaser is paying rupees 42,000. So that will be equal to rupees 42,000. 42,000 will be the principal. So that is denoted with P, right? And here its value is depreciated at the rate 8% per annum. So this is the principal. This is the principal, right? And the rate is denoted by R, and this is given as depreciation is 8% per annum. So this is not appreciation, this is depreciation. I will come to that separately in the next line. But the rate is given as 8%. 8% per annum. Annum is annual, just like your annual examination. Annum. Right? Now, this is the rate. So I'm writing it over here, rate, R-A-T-E, rate. That means whenever you're taking some amount from a loan or you are investing some amount on purchasing anything, so here it's in a scooter, so there will be some amount which will be charged by the bank, or there will be some depreciation for which you are paying that amount. Okay. So here if you are buying anything, there will be always a depreciation, right? And if you are taking a loan from a bank, their bank will be charging some rate at some interest from you, so that is charged at interest. Okay. So if you are investing something or saving your amount in a bank, it will give you appreciation. But if you are purchasing something, here is scooter, then there will be a depreciation. So this is the rate for the depreciation, right? Rate for depreciation. So what is depreciation? I hope you understand. Depreciation is simply when you are purchasing something, and from the principal amount, after some time duration, you are not left with that P. Either from that principal, some amount, some interest will be added, then it is appreciation, and that is equal to amount, right? And after that time, when that interest, when after some time in the given time duration, when that interest is subtracted from the principal, then that amount is called depreciation. Okay. So this is the case for depreciation which we will be using over here. This is depreciation. This is depreciation, right? This is depreciation, and the initial case P plus I is appreciation. This amount is for appreciation. Appreciation means you are getting something additional after your principal. Okay. Then this is the appreciation P plus I, and after that time duration, if P minus I, this is depreciation. Okay. So here the scooter is purchased, right? So there will be a rate of interest which will be depreciated from the principal. So that will be subtracted. You can see over here, right? Now, a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. This is the data given into the question. So the principal is rupees 42,000, which I have written over here, and rate is 8% per annum, which is your depreciation cost, right? Depreciation rate. Now, find its value after 1 year. So after 1 year, what is the value? Let us see. You know the formula of a simple interest? Simple interest. Simple interest is calculated as principal into rate into time divided by 100. So the rate could be annual, could be quarter, could be half yearly, could be monthly, whatever, right? So let us calculate the simple interest, that is equal to I, right? So that is equal to I have written over here. This is the same I which is subtracted from the principal. This is the same I. Here you can see this I, right? So this will be the depreciation, this I, right? Now, what is the value of principal? 42,000. Write the value 42,000, right? Into rate. Rate is given to you 8%. So 8 and this 100 is of percentage. This percent you can see. So this 100 is from that. So 8% will be like this, right? And time duration per annum. So time is given to you as t equal to 1, because here you can see find its value after 1 year. After 1 year. After 1 year means time. Time is 1 year. Year is annual. So just write the value of t as 1 over here. Right? T will be 1. This is the time. Just calculate this. This is equal to I. SI is written as I. Now, this 2 0 will be cancelled out, and we are left with 8 to 16, 3360 rupees. 3360 is calculated as I, right? So what will be the depreciated amount? Depreciated amount, that means whatever he has invested, that means the principal minus the interest. This will be the depreciated value of that particular object which he had purchased. That means he had purchased this scooter, right? Now the value of P is 42,000. You can see over here, right? Write the value of P as 42,000, right? From this, an interest of rupees 3360 is subtracted. You can see P minus A is the amount for depreciation, right? So from this 3360 will be subtracted, and you are getting 0. 10 minus 6, that will be 4. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3, that will be 6. 11 minus 3, 8, 3 will be 8, and this will be 3. So 38640. So rupees 38640 is the depreciated value of the given scooter. This is the scooters. Oh no, the shape of the scooter is not good, don't mind. So this is the depreciated value of the scooter, right? Depreciated value. Value means the amount which you have invested and what is the value that remains, right? So in this way we have solved this question, right, students? Any query you can put up into the comment box. And now this was the first question which we had taken from the NCERT, that The scooter was purchased for 42,000. We have just calculated the depreciated value of that scooter over here, rupees 38,640, when the initial principal was 42,000. Now we'll be coming to the second question. What is the second question? Let us see. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Okay. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 506,000. So this will be your principal. This will be your principal, right? Because this is the data which is at the beginning, right? Here you can just see the word initially, initially, right? And here the time duration, the t is in hours. As I said, the rate can be rate can be in yearly, half yearly, monthly. So here the rate is considered in hours. Okay, so just I'm solving this question. Yeah, so here the bacteria count is 506,000. The bacteria count is 506,000. So initial initial count of bacteria is equal to your, just consider this as a principal, right? And this is given to you as 506,000. 506,000. 506,000, right? This is the data given into the question. Now this is initial, mind it, this is initial. So initial, that means at the beginning, that is your principal count, right? So the bacteria count initially was 506,000, 5,06,000. Now the rate in, you can see in the laboratory, the count of bacteria in the experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour, right? So rate per hour, right? This is given to you as 2.5%. 2.5%. This is rate given to you. This is the rate of multiplying the bacteria, right? Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. So suppose this is the beginning position. In the beginning, the count was 506,000, and after 1 hour, the count will be something, right? So this will be your, if this is principal, then the count over here will be your amount, because this will be the rate, right? And again after this, you are going for second hour, so this is additional 1 hour, right? So total hours from here to here will be 2, right? We need to find this amount, so that will be your, let's say this is A1 and this is A2. On the end of second hour, the amount of bacteria will be A2, right? Now use the formula of simple interest, that is changing the pen, SI equal to P into R into T by 100, right? So after 1 hour, the count of bacteria will be A1. After 1 hour, that means A1. A1 is after 1 hour bacteria count. Bacteria count is A1, which is given by the principal count of bacteria, that is this much plus PRT by 100, right? So that is equal to I, or you can simply write from formula PRT by 100, right? So that will be equal to P plus PRT by 100, right? Now this P is 506000, 506000. This P is common in both the two terms. That is taken common, and we are left with 1 plus RT by 100. R is 2.5%. So 2.5, and time is 1 hour. You can see A1 is calculated after 1 hour. Here you can see 1 hour. So time will be 1 divided by 100, right? So this will give you just for writing clearly, I am shifting left, 506000 into, taking LCM 100, it will be 100 plus 2.5 divided by 100, right? So 20 will be cancelled out, and this will be equal to 5060 into 102.5. This will be the count of bacteria. This will be the count of bacteria after this will be the count of bacteria after 1 hour, because this is the A1 value. Okay, we'll solve this question with the formula of compound interest also, but I'm showing it how the simple interest will be converted into compound interest. Okay, because this principal is converted into A1, and this A1 will be acting as a principal for the second hour, and we will be getting A2. So, so this will be equal to the value of A1, right? Now, by 5060 into 102.5, 0 will be compensated for this decimal, so we can multiply 1025 into 506, so 6530, 65000, then 525, so this will be 0567 517650, 517650. So the bacteria is multiplying to 517650 after 1 hour. So this is the count of bacteria after 1 hour. That means this is the value of A1. This is the value of A1, right? Now this A1 will be acting as a principal for reaching A2. So the bacteria count after 2 hours, that means the additional 1 hour, the bacteria count will be equal to principal. That means here the principal will be A1, so this will be equal to your new principal. This will be equal to new principal. So after 2 hours, the principal will, that means A1 plus A1 into R into T by 100. That means the additional interest when you are reaching from first hour to second hour here. So here the P is equal to A1. Mind it. This is the thing which you need to remember, because and you need to understand that how this will be coming, right? Because the value of this P changes to A1, and A1 is calculated as A1 is calculated as 517650, right? Now this 517650 517650 will be acting as a principal over here, right? A1 will be acting as a principal over here, right? So it will be coming as 517650, right? Plus, just take 517650 common. So we are left with in the bracket, because here also 517650, here also 517650. So we are left with 1 plus R into T. Rate will be again 2.5% for this second hour, right? 2.5 into time. Time is 1 hour. So it will be 1 by 100, right? So this will give you 517650 into, after taking the LCM and adding 2.5, 100, 2.5 by 100. So just multiply it, 517650 with 102.5. 10 and 10 will be cancelled out, and from 10 it will be, just multiply 51765 into 102.5. That means 51,765 into 1025 divided by 100, because this decimal we have converted into this. Now this will be the count of the bacteria after 2 years. So 51765, that is calculated over here, and here, yeah, 0 will be cancelled out. So 51765 into 1025 into 1025 will be giving you, quickly we are doing it, 25 5 2 35 38 3 8, it will be, yeah, we checked it. From 2 it will be 0, 10, 13, carry 1, 15, carry 1, 1 2 3 2 5 10, and from 0 it will be 0 0 0 0 0 5 times, yeah, and from 1 it will be 5 6 7 1 5 6 7 1 and 5. So this will be giving you 5 to 11, carry 1, 9, 53059 125, 53059 125. So divided by 100. So this will be 530,591.25. This will be giving as 530,591.25. So this will be the count of bacteria after, this will be the bacteria after 2 hours. And by using the formula of compound interest, you can simply calculate it very fast. Okay? How? Let me show you. If we will be considering the formula of compound interest, CI, the initial count will be acting as a principal, right? So compound interest is calculated as P times 1 plus R by 100 power n. N will be the time period. So here it will be n equal to 2, right? And when you put up the value, it will be coming as 506000. That is the initial count of the bacteria, this principal, into 1 plus rate will be 2.5. So 2.5 by 100 power 2, right? This will be giving you 5. This will be giving you 50. If you are able to see, let me shift it. This will be giving you 506000 into 102.5 divided by 100. So 1.025 power 2, right? 1.025 power 2. So when you will be calculating it, you will be getting this value as 1.050625. Okay, this will be getting as 1.050625, right? Multiplied with this 506000, right? Multiplied with this 506000. So this will again giving you the same value. That means this bacteria count, right? This bacteria count, which will be coming as, this will be coming as 530591.25, right? This count will be sum. Just check the calculations if there is no mistakes. Okay, 102.5 into 517650. So just check over here, 5060 into 102.5. So it will be 6530 then 0 0 0 0 056. Oh, it is 6 plus 2 will be 8 over here. Okay, so this count will be 518650. So this will be 518650. This I am correcting. Okay, 518650, and here the value of A1 will be 518650. So in place of 7 it will be 8. Okay, so here it was a mistake. Okay, so that we have corrected, 518650. This is simple arithmetic calculation that you can check, that is not an issue. And here the main thing you need to remember, that for A2, A1 will be acting as a principal, right, which I am written over here, right? So in place of 867 it will be 8, right, that we have corrected. Now this will give you some value, so that value will be changed. Okay, so because it will be 51865, and when you multiply it with it 5525 2, this will be 3, this will be 3, and this will be 9, this will be 9, right? And this is fine. From 2 is to 5 10, carry 1 13, carry 1 2 16. This will be 7, this will be 7 3, that's fine. From 1 5 6 8 1 5 5 6, this will be 8, right? So this will be coming as 5 2 8 3 11, carry 1, this will be 7, 5 2 8 plus 3 11, 11 carry 1, this will be coming at 2, right? So do this calculation, that is not an issue. Okay, so whatever this value is coming, okay, whatever this value is coming, just let us do it. 5 5 25, carry 2, 32, carry 3, 43, carry 4, 9, 25, then 10, 12, 13, carry 1, carry 1, 3, 10, right? Then 0 0 0 0 0, then y 5 6 8 1 5, 5 6 8 1 5, it will be 5 6 8 1 5, 5, then 2, then 11, 5 2, then okay, I will not take that much of time. Okay, you can use this value. So that value will be the final bacteria count. Okay, so anyway, it will be coming, earlier we have solved it, it will be coming as 531616, but yeah, you can solve it. Okay, this will give you the final count. Okay, this will give you the final count. So in place of this principal, this amount will be the principal, which will be 518650. Okay, so 518650 multiplied by 102.5, so here it will be coming at some value, and that value will be whatever this, you can take this value, and this will be the count after 1 year. Okay, this will be count after 1 year, that is 518650, and when you calculate this value, the second part will be calculated. Okay, and using the compound interest formula you can also calculate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.